Hello, and welcome to a special episode of the Vantastic Four. I don't know if you hear me over Ava laughing or Harry's collar jingle-jangling everywhere. Anyways, today, what are we doing today, Ava? What are we doing today? What are we doing? What's the challenge?
Harry's excited.
Besides talking over Harry's girl.
Harry's excited for the
We're
challenge.
baking against each other.
Okay. Well, we are not telling what we are making
Until
the final product.
Why do you sound like a robot?
I don't know if a robot. I've done public speaking.
Can we just see what this dog is doing right now?
No, it's not.
Ooh. Harry, you're not the part of the show right now. Harry. Hey, wackadoo. Hey, can they bake now? Can they bake? Alright, let's see where we're at now.
I did this?
I know, it's shocking.
I'm not looking back.
But I gave you more than 2 pointers.
Oh, please.
Oh, now. How did sugar get over here on the floor?
Oh, nothing.
Oh my gosh, or is it salt?
Oh, wait. Can I have something else to get this? That's plastic.
Use a spoon. Pop them out with a spoon. Hey.
Oh, come on, Mom.
I'm
See
in
this, Mom?
lasagna. Oh, you left the oven open.
Oh, sorry.
Fire hazard.
They're not popping out like I thought. I don't want to ruin it.
Oh,
Are they not done?
no, you have to go around first.
Oh, it's really hot. Sorry.
Put the pan down, use a butter knife, and scoop around them. Other
Look.
than that, let's see Ava's. Ooh, yum. All right, we'll be back when it's time to frost them and try them. All right, let's see Ava's.
It's a pancake.
All right, and let's see Daddy's. All right, now we're gonna taste test. You ready?
Mr. Vantastic Four. Oh.
Mr.
hey,
Fantastic
whoever
Four.
wins this round gets to go against Mom.
All right, yeah, whoever.
She's better at baking.
Oh, stop it. Ready?
She's the
You
best
want to
in the
taste your
house.
own too? Did you taste it?
I guess it's a frosting. Brenda, why do you always have to be in the camera?
Utensils or?
We saved a lot of frosting.
That's my frosty. No.
Oreos.
Mine.
Careful.
Ta-da. Can you guys see me?
I just need a fork.
I'm going down my elevator.
Cut it. Are we cutting it? Should we cut it? Here. All right. Olivia and I are the judges. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, your mouth just went.
Jack, please.
I gotta go.
No, we use paper towels.
Okay.
All right.
No, cut it.
Okay, we will cut it. Goodness. All right, Olivia, pick which one you want of Daddy's.
Daddy.
Yeah. Here.
Can I go here?
I'm not big on frosting, and I hate white chocolate, so I'll do a small one.
Please, the frosting.
Oh.
I already tried it.
You ready?
Oh!
My mouth is like watering right now.
Not done.
It's
Just
good.
kidding, it's done.
Oh, there's a hair.
Who's there?
Sure?
No. I told
Okay.
you your secret ingredient is good.
Is that coffee?
You get the coffee?
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
Wow. That's coffee.
No, I'm not allowed to eat this then.
Yes, you can.
It's cooked.
Whoa.
You don't get
Come over
one.
here. Come on over here.
You want to try it?
Come on, bud. Oh, can you not get there because of chairs?
Yeah, you can. You're lazy.
I like
Oh,
The cake itself is good.
it. Wait, you tried it?
Yeah. I don't like the frosting.
Well, you don't like any frosting.
anybody like to take a shot of what I made?
A shot.
That was a funny.
It's a vanilla bean
Mm-hmm.
No,
coffee cake.
no. But close.
Coffee vanilla cake.
I didn't use vanilla frosting. Oh, about seriously, Mel.
What is it?
White chocolate mocha cupcakes.
Right here.
Mocha cupcake.
This is what I use. Oh, I'm not trying it. There's
Here, I'll use the harder one.
hair. Looks like a pancake.
Bruno's hair is in everything all the time. You can't try it yet.
Wait, you said I was gonna slice it the right way.
Here, Olivia.
What's the next? It looks like a pancake.
I need a small piece. I
Ha,
don't like frosting.
ha, get it? Pancake. It's from a pan and it's cake.
Yes.
No, but
That's what a pancake is.
Alright, ready, OG?
Good. It smells very chocolatey.
Come on, let's try it together.
Set, go. Oh, warm.
Mmm.
That's way better. Maybe I'm gonna go.
That is very spongy.
Very unique.
It's that frosting. That frosting will be over.
He's
I
salty.
told you. I don't like frosting. That's pretty good. All right, we have to vote.
Try, Olivia? Just wait. Alright, cool. What's your
Our
decision?
decision is, we really like the way that Denny's cake tasted, but we really like Ava's frosting. Now put it together.
So we want coffee chocolate cake?
Yes.
Yes!
But the winner is
Ava.
Ava.
Ah!
Only
Congratulations.
because
Sorry, Dad.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
so get the chocolate over here.
oh, it's
All
weird.
right.
Why would you lick your shirt? Anyway, so Ava won. So Ava is going against
I have
Smitty
to
next
talk to her
Sunday. It's
about
going
let's
down.
make